Hi, I'm Vipul Khanna. I have cleared the Civil Services Examination 2019 with All India rank of 129. Now, anybody who has given this exam for more than an attempt must have experienced procrastination in either mild or severe forms. I prepared for this exam for around 5 years, so I have seen both mild and severe bouts of procrastination, and I figured out certain techniques and tools which helped me out to overcome those bouts of procrastination. So, first thing is to get your mindset right. Procrastination is about high activation energy for a task, right? So, what happens is when this activation energy is high, our mind gets a little bit in a fear state of presuming a supposed failure in the future, wherein you won't be able to complete a task and it would lead to pain. And our mind is wired to prevent us from feeling that pain. So what we should do is trick our mind into thinking that our task is small, achievable, and tangible. So this could be done through a technique called Pomodoro technique. So generally what happens with Pomodoro technique is that you are supposed to study in intervals of 25 minutes with breaks of 5 minutes, and you complete this cycle 3 times or 4 times and then take a bigger break of 40 minutes. So I learned of this technique from Dr. Roman Saini. So he emphasizes on different length of Pomodoros, 50 minutes and 10 minutes. I innovated it further to make it 1 hour 15 minutes, 30 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes of study and 30 minutes of break. I would do 3 such Pomodoros before taking a bigger break of 2.5 or 3 hours. So now there are several tools out there which allow you to set up this Pomodoro. There is this Pomodoro app. There are several other tools. You would find it easily on Google Play Store. There's Wonderslate app as well, in which you can go ahead and develop your own Pomodoros and follow those Pomodoros. The second thing that would help you out in this regard is getting your timetable and daily to-do list sorted. So what happens with procrastination is, since we do not have an achievable and a tangible target at hand, then there is a tendency for us to procrastinate because our mind is not able to figure out the potential losses that we are going through by wasting our time. However, if you have a timetable and a daily to-do list at hand, it would lead to 2 things. Your mind would figure out the cost of wasting the time available at hand, firstly. Second, naturally your timetable and to-do list would comprise of several subtasks. So ticking them off in itself can give you a certain amount of dopamine hit, which leads to motivation and which leads to action. So hence these 2 things work in 2 ways to help your mind prime yourself better to move towards success. So this is the second bit of it. The third thing I think I have touched in another video is the discipline versus motivation debate. So what happens when we are in a bout of procrastination, going down a rabbit hole on YouTube, is that we are waiting for that motivation to strike us before starting our study session. This never happens. This would never happen. You would end up wasting a lot of time. This bout of motivation would never strike you to start this study session. Instead, if you are disciplined enough, you have a routine going. supposedly you get up at a particular time of the day, you reach the library at a particular time of the day, study at a particular time, then you would not require this motivation. Then your activation energy would anyways be low because your mind is primed up for you to execute this task. So you should focus on discipline rather than motivation. Now where does this discipline come from? Again, following a good timetable, following a good routine, following a to-do list. So be disciplined rather than relying on motivation. This would help you defeat procrastination.